No problem. Okay, so now let's work out using the method of the rule of 3 that how long it will take to lift 63,000 liters of water by 7 HP pump. By 7 HP pump. Okay, I have read the number 6 obviously. Good. So now look at number 5. A pump of 5 HP can lift 36,000 liters of water in 8 hours. So let us do. So power of motor, power of pump that is in HP. That is in HP. Okay, write down in just HP. Okay, if you don't want to write that power of pump, so just write HP. Okay, HP. And water you have to write in liter, and then time in hours. First 5 HP 36,000 liter of water and in 8 hours. Okay, now next 63,000 of water, 7 HP pump, so how much time it will require to fill the tank? Okay, so here look at there, time and water. If pump is running for more time, water can be pumped more, right now? Water can be pumped more. So here that means time is increasing, amount of water is also increasing. So what is the relation here? Direct relation. So time and water are in direct relation. Clear? Understood? Now next one, time and HP. That means if power is increasing, time will require less, right now? Yes, that means if HP is increasing, horsepower is increasing, the time required less. So proportion is inverse proportion. So HP and time are in inverse relation or inverse proportion, you can say anything. Okay, therefore required time, 8 multiplied. So here if it is direct relation, first one, here these two is direct relation, that means it will interchange. 63,000 will be at up and 36,000 will be at down, multiplied. Here HP and time, they are in inverse relation, right now? Yes or no? Yes, you are having any problem? No problemo. Understood? Clear? Okay, after few days I will take exam, then I will check that who has understood and who hasn't. Okay, so now here 7 9s are 63, so it has cut down, and here is 0 0 0 0. First we need to cut, that works. So 9 4s are 36, 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. So here how much time is required there? 10 hours time is required. Understood? Clear? Any problem, Riyaj? Any problem? Any doubt there? If you are having doubt, then ask me. Last, required time here. Here the calculation. Calculation here, look at there. Let me do it again. So 8 multiplied, if there is direct relation, that can be inverse. That will be inverse. And it will be whatever it is, it will be like they are staying. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 cut down. And 7 9s are 63. 9 4s are 36. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are. Understood? HP and time are inverse relation. R in. So dot dot. Okay. Understood? I haven't written that. Why? Because in mathematics we can do. If 2 lines is written there, that means what is the at the upper line? That will be a down line. What happened, Neville? What happened to you? Are you feeling hungry? Are you hungry? So what happened? Oh, you want to do algebra. So don't you want to do mathematics? You don't want to do mathematics? Yes or no? No. Next one. Question number 6. There are 2 motors of 5 HP and 3 HP in a factory. Okay? Okay, Gaji. The 5 HP motor requires 20 units of electricity in 8 hours. 20 units in 8 hours. Let's work out using the method of the rule of 3. How many units of electricity will be required in 3 HP motors works for 10 hours. Okay, let us do. So there is, if remember that if power is increasing, more electricity is required. Yes or no? If HP is increasing, more electricity is required. So more power in the machine, more electricity is required. But if it is more power, time will be less. Right now, time will be less. So ultimately, the cost will be same. Right now, if suppose if a fan, long fan. So have you ever watched? Have you ever watched and the railway station, Sialda and Howrah railway station? Have you ever went to the Sialda and Howrah railway station? And have you ever looked at there the long, actually large fan? So it can be like that here to here. That's fans are here to here. That type of large. Okay, that one fan is rotating there. Okay, actually in Howrah there are many, but in Sialda there is just maybe there is one. In Howrah there is many fans are there. Now that fan that has more power, but it can cover all the area right now. So if this type of fans will be there, maybe in this room it is required how many fans? 6 fans. Okay, and that type of fan actually that fan's length is like that. Okay, maybe here to there, that type of length, that long fans are there. So here if many fans and one fan, so in one fan it can cover all the area. So whatever electricity is requiring in one fan and requires the electricity for all the fans, maybe it is the same amount of electricity right now. Maybe it is there profiting for just only one fan, it is covering all the area. So here it is like that. Here it is like that. Here write down HP, then electricity unit, electricity units, electricity unit, and then write down time. So it is given that 5 HP motor that requires 20 units of electricity in 8 hours. Okay. Now next it is asking 3 HP motor for 10 hours, how much electricity it will consume, how much unit of electricity it will consume. Okay, understood? So now look at there, we need to find this middle portion, middle column. So find that electricity and HP, what is the relation are there? HP is increased, more electricity is required, right now? That means relation is direct. So HP and electricity unit are in direct proportion. Are in direct proportion. Now look at there, electricity unit and time. That means if more time the machine is running, more electricity is needed there, right now. More time machine is running, more electricity is needed, yes or no? What I have told. More time it is running, more electricity is required, yes or no? Yes, just saying yes. So now here time and electricity unit, time and electricity unit, so let me write here dot dot, okay? Again I have written here dot dot. Electricity unit are in, it is also in direct proportion, yes or no? Time and the electricity unit are in direct proportion. So we need to find the electricity unit. The electricity required so here 20 is there because we are finding 20s. So 20 multiplied, look at there, what is the relation? Direct proportion. Direct means that will be inverse, 10 by 8 will be written. Okay. Here is also direct, so 3 by 5 will be written. Clear or not clear? Now look at there, 5 2s are 10, 2 4s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. 5 into 3, that is 15. So I hope that it is clear to all of you. Is it clear? Or is it killer? Killer, pizza sokina. They are not sisters, they are best friend. Okay? Always. Today is the school, na? So after the coaching, you all will take meal. So you are all staying at hostel except Sohan. Sohan, you are not staying hostel. You are come from home. Where is your home? Beldanga. So daily you are coming from home. Whoops. So by train or by bus? Cycle. So how many times is that Badapur? So how many times it is required? 10 minutes. That Badapur Beldanga. That Badapur. Okay, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Okay, now next question. Navili, what happened? Next, number 7. In a loom at a Gopal Nagar, 14 weavers can weave 210 sari in 12 days. Weavers means tati. Okay. Okay, look at there. Number 7. Kaji. In a loom at Gopal Nagar, 14 weavers can weave 210 saris in 12 days. The workshop got an order to supply. Read the question with me. To supply 300 saris within 10 days during the pujas. Wow. Let's work out using the method of rule of 3 how many extra weavers have to employed to complete the work in time. So here it is weavers, number of saris and days. Weavers, saris, it is number of saris actually, and days, number of days. Weavers, how many weavers? 14 weavers, 210 saris in 12 days. But they need to complete in 10 days 300 saris. How many weavers is required? Look at there, we need to find the relation between weaver and sari and weaver and days. So weaver and sari, that means if number of weaver, that means who is weaving the sari, who is weaving, that means in Bengal it is tati. Bengal it is tati. Okay, so here weaver and sari are in what relation? Inverse or direct? Direct, because its number of weaver increase, sari will be, they can weave more sari, right now, are in direct proportion. Next one, weaver and days. If number of weaver increasing, number of days required less, right now. Weaver increasing, days required less, yes na? To complete weaving, it will require less time. So here weavers and days are in inverse proportion. Clear? Now number of weavers. Required. So that means here this portion we need to find. So 14 multiplied, here weaver and sari are in direct relation. If that is direct relation, that will be interchanged. 300 will be at up and 210 will be at down. Now next, there is inverse relation between weaver and days. Weaver, if inverse relation, that will be like that, whatever it is, it will be 12 by 10. Okay. Now this 0 cut and 0 cut down, 3 7s are 21. Okay, 7 2s are 14. So here it is 24 weaver required. 24 weavers required. But the question is not asking how many total are required. It is asking how many more are required. How many more? So the weaver, there is there is 14 weavers are there already. So how many more will be required? 10 required, because 14 is already, total need 24. So how many more required? 10. 14 are already there. Yes. So 14 are already there. They need 24 in total. Yes or no? Yes. 24 minus 14. Yes. Why? You are asking why? No question. Okay. So therefore, (24 minus 14), that means 10 more weavers required to complete the work in time. To complete the work in time. Now understood? Is this killer? Now killer or all killer? Now maybe there is, I thought, we have all thought, which one? Calculation. It is asking how many more weaver required. How many more required? 14 are already there. 24 total required. So how many more required? 14 and 10. That will be what? 24. Right now. So that's how many more required. That's why we have subtracted 24 minus 14. That is 10 weaver more required. Okay. Now clear? Clear? All clear? So that is all clear. Now any question? Which question? One 1.3. Okay, 1.3. Page number 20. Yes. Number 8. Oh, we have to draw it. Have you got compass, scale? Okay, I am showing it to everyone, not only you. I am showing it in board. Okay. Here it is. Let's work out 1.3. Page number 20. Hey, look everyone. 1.3 work out. Let's work out, and page number 20. Question number 8. Here it is given that we have to draw a rhombus. Home, H-O-M-E. H-O-M-E. We have to draw a rhombus like that. Yes, and HOM 60 degree. Given HOM 60 degree. So we have to draw rhombus. HOM 60 degree, HO 6 centimeter. HO 6 centimeter. For that, here HO and angle O is given. So just draw a rough. Okay. So this is a rough rhombus. Only a rough rhombus. Okay. So here just give the name. If it is O, it will be H, it will be M, it will be E. Okay. So HOME. That means this angle will be 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree. And this line will be 6 centimeter. Actually, all lines are 6 centimeter in rhombus. Yes or no? Because in rhombus, all sides are equal. Clear or not clear? So how to do? First you need to take a line by using your scale, 6 centimeter line. Okay. By using your scale, take 6 centimeter line here. Okay. 6 centimeter line you have to take, and that's name is HO. Hey, do everyone, HO. And at the mid portion of your copy, so just leave few space and draw a line using your scale, any line, a long line, okay? So first you have just draw a measured using your scale 6 centimeter, and then here you have drawn a large line, long line, okay? Then after that, what you will do, you need to use compass. You need to use compass, and using the compass, maybe my two hand is compass, using the compass, just cut it here, measure and cut it here, okay? And whatever the measure was there, that you need to just take, don't change the measure, and come here and also cut it here. Understood? So that means it was 6 centimeter and it is also 6 centimeter. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? So this is HO. This is HO. So while I am teaching here, don't do your things. Look at here first, then do your things. Okay. So here we have just drawn this line, taking compass. Just take the measure from here. Don't change the measure and put it here. Just we have done that. Understood? And now take the compass. We have to draw the angle 60 degree. And we will draw the angle 60 degree using compass. How to draw? Take the compass and smaller measure, and remember that measure should not be changed. So what to do then? Just take the compass. Hey Shwana, look at here. Take the compass and here just draw this line like that. From this point draw this line like that, okay? Don't change the measure. Put the compass here. Where it is meeting, okay? Here and draw another. Okay? So how? Here we have drawn this and then cutted these two. Actually this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Why? It is if you haven't changed the measure of compass, when you have drawn this one and again drawn this one, do not changing the measure of the compass, okay? Then it is 60 degree. It is 60 degree. Understood? Then join these 2 points. Okay? And cut here 6 centimeter also, because 6 centimeter the line, all line will be 6 centimeter. So cut here 6 centimeter. Okay? From here, this point to 6 centimeter. And now look at there, from this point to 6 centimeter cut there. And this point to 6 centimeter cut there. Okay? Understood? All will be 6 centimeter. So here join, and it is a rhombus. So HOME I have written, it will be not named like that because, sorry, it will be HOME. So here I have just drawn that line, actually that angle here. From here you have understood, up to here you have understood. After that what? After that take the measure of 6 centimeter again from in the compass, okay? Take the measure of 6 centimeter and then put the compass here and cut 6 centimeter here, because this line will be also 6 centimeter, okay? And here this line also be 6 centimeter. So from here cut again 6, okay? And from here this also be 6, so again cut 6. You don't need to change the measure of the compass. Understood? Clear or not clear? Okay? Okay. So time is over. Actually other class is there. Don't worry, I will explain it again next day. Okay?